Hello friends, in this video I will tell you about the pros and cons of this inbox dollar that is extremely important for you to know before joining it. For instance, if you don't know about inbox dollar, then it is a website that is available for the residents of United States, and you can join them and get multiple opportunity to make money online with inbox dollar. So I'll be starting with the cons and then I'll tell you about the pros of inbox dollars. Similarly, I'll also give you additional details that are completely related to inbox dollars, and it is also important for you to know before joining this website that is called inbox dollars. So let's get started. One huge cons of this inbox dollar is that it has a huge payment threshold, that is $30. So it simply means that you need to earn $30, minimum $30 in order to withdraw from this platform. Similarly, another cons of inbox dollar is that whenever you withdraw your fund, there is a huge processing fee or transaction fee of $3 per withdraw, and you cannot withdraw partial amount. You need to withdraw complete amount, whatever amount you have in the account of inbox dollars. Similarly, another cons is that it would take you 2 weeks for your fund to be withdrawn from this platform. It means if you requested to withdraw fund today and after that it would take up to 2 weeks, that is actually a huge time to get your hard earned money. Similarly, some surveys have a huge payout, but in those survey mostly you need to buy something. So that is also a huge con for me. I don't know what it is for you, but it is a huge cons for me. I don't want to buy something for in the sake of earning reward from a particular survey. So that is also a huge cons of inbox dollars. Last but not the least, in inbox dollar we can get various offers to earn money, but those payouts are small if that is totally free to take part in, like watching videos, reading paid emails, or taking service. Those payouts are too little. That's why it would take a bit long time to earn and reach a payment threshold of $30. That's why it is also a simple cons for me, because all of those who want to earn from inbox dollars want to earn for free, but it would take a bit long time, and since we do not if we do not buy something, then it would be it would take a little bit more time to earn a threshold of $30, to cross the threshold of $30, and that is a huge con for me. Similarly, now I'll start to tell you about the pros of inbox dollars. Number one pros is that inbox dollar is 100% free to join. You don't need to pay a single penny. You can directly sign up. I have also given the link in the description of this video through which you can join inbox dollar, and you'll also be eligible for a $5 sign up bonus instantly. So it is a good thing to get some extra box just for signing up. Another use pros is that this company is established in 2000 AD. That's why it can be trusted blindfoldedly. However, I always keep on telling that paid surveys or anything that you can earn from online for free, it tends to have a small amount of payments. That's why you need to be aware of that. And inbox dollar is absolutely legit company that you can join and start taking survey, reading paid emails, watching video ads, and so on. Lastly, inbox dollars website interface is so easy to use that any beginner who haven't joined any paid service site can navigate through their offers and take surveys, read paid emails, and earn money online from this site. Similarly, they do have a mobile app also, which you can download and do online activities in there to earn. So now I'll give you additional details that are extremely important for you to know about Inbox Dollars. However, if you want to join Inbox Dollars, I do have provided the link in the description of this video. Please do sign up from that link. In additional details, one of the huge thing that can help you to earn quickly from Inbox Dollar, and that is with the help of paid shopping. We normally do various online shoppings, and if you are also a person who keeps on doing online shopping, then you can buy things from the paid shopping portal of Inbox Dollar. Then that would give Inbox Dollar, I mean from whichever company that are available in there, and if you use that link to do shopping, Inbox Dollar will get a part of commission, and Inbox Dollar would give you a cashback for that particularly bought product. So in that way you can increase your, I mean some our family members may want to shop online, or some friends may want to shop online, and you can shop from inside the Inbox Dollar with the big brand like Walmart or various, there are available various brands which are trustable, and you can buy from that and get a cashback to increase the fund of your Inbox Dollar. And lastly, if you are someone who loves to play the game, you can play inside from Inbox Dollar, and for playing you can get some, you can, I mean you can earn some cash or gift cards by just playing video games that are available inside the Inbox Dollar. So for this pros and cons of Inbox Dollar, I just wanted to tell you this much. And if you like this video, please do like the video, and don't forget to comment in the comment section below. And similarly, if you want more, if you want to see the review of more paid survey site, I have also provided a link of paidsurveyinfo.com in the description. You can visit there and see about the top best and legit paid survey sites in the United States. Similarly, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and I'll keep on bringing various information related to paid survey sites, so do subscribe to my channel. Now I need to take a leave. Thank you and bye bye.